in front of me I've got Asus Zenfone 10. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security and lock screen. Go to screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. None and swipe are actually non-security screen locks. Now let's select password, and to create it enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, let's go to first biometric, which is fingerprint, and to create it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, OK, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. Now go back, enter face recognition, and this is the last unlock method. To use it, simply scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can unlock the device using the face recognition. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.